Hello and welcome again to another edition of the Warhammer 40k templates. Today what I'm going to do with this template, as you can see in front of me, it is a grayscale template, so it's pretty much black and white, gray. What I'm going to do today is basically, this is the basic of actually how to color an image in Photoshop. So as you can tell, I already have the first layer here, which is the main body. And usually it'll just say layer 0, which is fine. Now, quick tip for all of you newer users, you'll want to left click this twice, and as you notice, I'll type in main body. The reason why I do this is, which I'll make another video about as well, is sometimes you'll have many layers on a picture itself stacked on top of each other, which I know for you newer people may not know exactly what that is. Keeping track of each layer you're working on and actually giving it a name really helps for down the road, in case you may want to take something off of one of the layers and you don't want to use it anymore, or maybe you want to add something. It's easier to keep track of each and every individual layer. Like for example, you can actually cut off an arm and then it would make it, and copy and paste, and then it would make a new layer for that, and then you can title it left arm, for example. So let's say, for example, you did one whole color, which is what we're going to do today on this image, but then you want the left arm to be a different color, and then you can just color just the left arm instead of the whole image. But again, that's for another tutorial where I'll do a more advanced tutorial on layers and colors and changing the colors. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the quick select tool, and we're going to select the image itself. Let's left click on the layer so we can color it. So I'm going to select the whole layer, hit the left mouse button, hold it, select the whole image. So now obviously the whole image is selected. I'm going to go down here to the adjustment layer, left click this, and I'm going to go up to solid color, because you want to make sure the colors you can actually appear. So now, as you can tell, it's all completely black, and of course we don't want black because it's really dark, so I'm not going to do that. For example, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up here to blue, and I'm going to go to about there we go. So now we have a blue color. And FYI, so for any of the new users, if you already can tell, the hashtag down here with the 6-digit letters and numbers, that's actually the code for the color you just did. So if you ever wanted this, you can copy, right click it, copy, paste it over here if you wanted to, if you somehow lose that color and it goes back to the default black and white. So we're going to continue on, hit OK. So as you can tell, the whole image, it made a new layer with the color and the image itself that we had just selected and did solid colored for. So now the whole image is obviously blue. The problem is we don't have any detail on the image. So that is an issue. So what we're going to do here is go where it has the normal and the two little arrows. You're going to left click this, and it'll bring up this whole entire different menu with a lot of different selections. 9 times out of 10, you're just going to use overlay. That's what me and Algorithm have always used. So we'll hit overlay, and bam. And now, as you can tell, now we have all the detail that we had in our original image. And as you can tell with overlay, you'll still get some of the lighting effect from the lighter areas of the grayscale image itself. Now there is another option that will actually, I'll show you. So we're going to left click this again. And another one I'll use a lot of is actually multiply. So as you can tell, now all the highlighted areas of the grayscale image from down here in the main body, now they're all blue. Everything is blue. But you also notice, which is fine, you can do this as well. I've done this on some images, but sometimes it does make it look a little more flat. And also what you'll notice with the blue, it actually darkens the blue quite a bit. But it is an optional that you can do if you want. So usually, again, most of the time I'll use the overlay. But yeah, that's it. That's the basic idea of how you add color to a grayscale image. Until next time.